means if I want to, if I, you allow me to explain, that is nuclear radiation is a natural property of a radioactive element. You cannot stop a nuclear this radioactive element to stop its emission of radiation. You can simply contain it. And when the nuclear radiation, like the elements like plutonium 239, the half-life is around 24,000 years, and to be effectively reduce the half-life, you have to means almost 10 life cycles need to be spent. So that is 240,000 years. Similarly, elements like cesium 137 and strontium 90, their half-life is around 20 to 30 years. That means for these elements to be ineffective, almost 300 to 250 years need to be spent. And when our government cannot speak for the security, like terrorist attacks, the Home Minister of this country, Mr. Chidambaram, has said that government cannot say that terrorist attacks cannot happen in this country. How government can give assurance that nuclear waste can be stored for thousands of years securely? So, in principle, something we cannot guarantee that for our future generations, that nuclear waste can be stored safely. To use power generated from this the nuclear material is simply unethical. That's what I feel.
That film talk about what are going to be the consequences of all that. So that was the last year films, and that all those questions you have raised, that has been answered, try to answer that what is going to be happened.
Sir, 90% of its energy nuclear. Nuclear means. Now, where is storing all nuclear waste? If it is not in the France, where it's getting its all nuclear waste and storing it underground. And another question I want to ask, that all energy, nuclear energy is dirty, coal energy is dirty, then hydropower also has its problems like Narmada. Mm-hmm. Then what else? No, coal, gas is not available. So for the Hungary, the Indian Hungary, for the energy, where all the energy need is going to come?
Australia is supplying nuclear uranium to various countries. So there is a demand, and there is a legal thing that Australia will take care of the rest of the material. So again, they are trying to make some repository underground. They are trying to find, but there is no safe solution. People have found it. So only the Finnish, which I have told you, that they try to make a safe repository underground. So that is the only situation. We have the knowledge. We have no idea. No alternative. Then we should do suicide or what? Huh? There are several ways to find the answer, and we are not here to provide you, because we are just ordinary person. We have our money, our taxpayers' money is going to the different institution to find it out. How much money is going to the research for the nuclear? How much money is going to the solar and wind and other things? We need to question all these things. There are viable solutions. World have seen, even like again the Germany is showing the how solar power and the wind and different kind of energy sources we have. So it's again a long debate.
We have seen the trailer in this year. In the United States, the temperatures going below -40, -50. We have seen in the United Kingdom heavy raining for almost 3 weeks. We have seen the hailstorm in Maharashtra for 1 week. Okay, all these things is trailer. And IPCC has said that 2 degrees centigrade rise in the global temperature, average temperature, will bring all these extreme events. Now, IPCC has also said that carbon emission to rise in temperature for 2 degrees centigrade is 1,000 billion tons, okay? And we have exceeded 500 billion tons of carbon in the atmosphere. And we are at present, as of today, we are emitting almost 17 billion tons of carbon net every year. So you can calculate we are hardly left with 20 to 30 years for the reaching of 1,000 billion tons as mentioned by IPCC. These are not my figures. So hardly 30 years are left. And unless until we change our concept of development, we cannot survive. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Now we are going to close. Tomorrow at 10:30. Tomorrow at 10:30 we will resume, and we have many more new films talking different aspect of the nuclear fuel chain. I hope that tomorrow more people will come. Thank you so much.